Hey travelers, welcome back to Points Wanderlust, and today we're going to be talking about how to transfer your Capital One points to airlines and hotels. And if this is something you're interested, make sure you like and subscribe. So on my screen you see that I have already logged into my Capital One account, and this is your homepage. So the first thing you're going to do is scroll down to where you see Explore Rewards and Benefits, and I always just go ahead and click on View Rewards just because I like to start there. You're going to scroll down just a little bit more, and you don't want to book a trip. We never really want to book in our travel portal. Instead, you want to transfer rewards. So you're going to see that button next to it that says transfer rewards, and you're going to click there. Once you click there, you're able to see all of the loyalty programs. Remember, Capital One just bought back JetBlue, but they have 17 other loyalty programs that you can use. Some of my favorites are actually the Flying Blue. I really like British Airways, Emirates, in addition to Virgin Atlantic. Virgin Atlantic is how I actually flew to London for cheap. So here are all of their travel partners. And so you're going to need to do is actually click on where you see transfer miles. So I'm hovering over Virgin. I'm going to click on transfer miles. They're going to ask you to verify your account information. So like, what is your membership ID? So I'm going to go ahead and enter mine in for Virgin. And then hit next. And once I've entered in my number, it then allows you to complete your transfer. Just remember that you never want to complete the transfer until you make sure that there's a flight available on the website or on the airline that you're trying to book. Because sometimes there are phantom flights, and I definitely found that out when I was trying to book a flight on Alaska to head to Guatemala. And so this is how you transfer your points from Capital One to an airline and or hotel. If you have any questions or you want me to show you more about transferring points, let me know in the comments. See you soon. Make sure you like and subscribe.